Let's make soft layered chapatis. So I have my flour, I add in salt. As you can see, that is my salt. I add in the flour and then I mix it until I feel it is mixed. Yeah, that is how I do it. Then I add in cooking oil. This is the most important step. I add in cooking oil in the already mixed salt and flour. I mix it, then I add in water, hot water. Make sure the water is hot, not warm, not cold. So I'm using a mingling stick because the water is hot. So I add in more water to make it softer for me when kneading. So I knead it as I add in water, yeah, until I feel it's okay for me to use the hand. Then I use the hand to knead. That is how it feels. Make sure it feels soft in your hands. Then you add in cooking oil. You knead it. Knead the dough until you feel the softness in it. Yeah, and then I wrap it with a foil. Yeah, that is our foil. And then if you have an oven, you put the dough in the oven. You put it in the oven for 40 minutes. You can put it for 30, others 50. So that is our dough. It's ready. We bring it out and then you can see how soft it is. Yeah, and then we divide it into 2 pieces and then roll it. After dividing, you roll it on the table. Make sure there is flour on the table before you put our dough. Then roll it, apply some oil on it, around it, and then cut into slices. Slice the rolled dough and then make small circle from the sliced dough. Yeah, and that is us preparing chapati. I used the local charcoal stove and you can see how our chapati turned. You can see how soft it is. Wow, yummy. It is easy actually.